Are you ready to unlock the secrets to financial success? Dive into Robert Kiyosaki's groundbreaking book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, and discover 5 key takeaways that can transform your mindset and your wallet. Key takeaway number 1: the importance of financial education. Kiyosaki emphasizes the need to prioritize financial education over traditional schooling. It's not just about getting good grades, but understanding how money works in the real world. Key takeaway number 2: assets versus liabilities. Learn to distinguish between assets that generate income and liabilities that drain your resources. Kiyosaki teaches us to focus on acquiring assets that put money in our pockets. Key takeaway number 3: the power of passive income. Discover the concept of passive income and how it can provide financial freedom. Kiyosaki advocates for building multiple streams of passive income to achieve true wealth. Key takeaway number 4: overcoming fear and taking risks. Kiyosaki encourages readers to overcome fear and embrace risk-taking. Success often requires stepping outside of your comfort zone and seizing opportunities. Key takeaway number 5: the importance of entrepreneurship. Learn why Kiyosaki believes entrepreneurship is the ultimate path to financial independence. By starting your own business, you can create wealth and control your financial destiny. Ready to take control of your financial future? Dive deeper into Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad Poor Dad and start your journey to financial freedom today.